Matthew chapter 5, verse 3. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for there is the kingdom of heaven.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 4. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 5. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 6. Blessed are those who are hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be filled.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 7. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 8. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 9. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God.
Matthew chapter 5, verse 10. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for there is the kingdom of heaven. Matthew chapter 5, verse 11. Blessed are you when they revile and persecute you, and say all kinds of evil against you falsely for my sake.